Victor was having a hard time deciding which new vehicle he should buy. He decided to make the final decision based on the gas efficiency of each car. A car that is more gas efficient gets more miles per gallon of gas. When he asked the manager at each car dealership for the gas mileage data, he received two different representations, which are shown below. Vehicle 1 has a table, and Vehicle 2 has a graph. Number 1 says if Victor based his decision only on gas efficiency, which car should he buy? Provide support for your answer. So we want to know about the miles per gallon. That means the miles go on top and the gallons go on the bottom. So this is miles per gallon of Vehicle 1. We'll do Vehicle 1 in green, and then we'll do Vehicle 2 in blue. So 72 divided by 4. They're both even, so I can split them in half. That gives me 36 and 2. And those are both even, so I can do it again. Which means Vehicle 1 gets 18 miles per gallon. In Vehicle 2, I can use one of these points. I have 50 as the miles and 3 as the gallons. 50 and 3 do not have any factors in common, but I can use long division to simplify this. 3 goes into 5 one time. There's 2 left over, and then I bring down my 0. 3 goes into 20 6 times, which leaves me with 2 left over, and I can bring down a 0. And that's going to keep going. So this is 16.6 repeating. Another way we could write that is as a mixed number. It would be 16 and 2/3. Because 3 sets of 16 make 48. And then we need 2 more to get to 50. So which car is more fuel efficient? Which one gets a higher mile per gallon? That is Vehicle So Vehicle 1 has a higher fuel efficiency. They get more miles. It can travel farther on the same amount of gas. Number 2, after comparing the Legend and the Supreme, Victor saw an advertisement for a third vehicle, which is called the Lunar. The manager said that the Lunar the Lunar can travel about 289 miles on a tank of gas, and a tank of gas can hold 17 gallons. Is Lunar the best option? So we need to figure that out. 17 fits into 28 one time, and it leaves us with 11 left over. Then we need to bring down that 9. 17 times 7 is 119. So is it the most fuel efficient? No. But it is more fuel efficient than Vehicle 2. It's in between Vehicle 1 and Vehicle 2.